How to disable product tips and tricks notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable product tips and tricks notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here we'll find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then click notifications, and now scroll down until you find this one, product tips and tricks. And as you see, product tips and tricks have been disabled, and now you need to wait 2 days and it will be saved. And then just go back, and as you see, that's how to disable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.